If you are looking for the best cleaners for fiberglass boat, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we have included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the 7th position of our list, we have Total Boat White Knight Fiberglass Stain Remover. The Total Boat White Knight Fiberglass Stain Remover is a fiberglass cleaner that prides itself on being able to remove dirt, scum, rust, and water-line stains from your boat's fiberglass and gel coat. What I like about the Total Boat White Knight Fiberglass Stain Remover is that its gel formula has a non-abrasive nature, which makes it safe for use on your boat's gel coat. You no longer have to worry about potential damage to it. Another thing I like about that, it is that it can be used on multiple surfaces, not just fiberglass, such as painted surfaces, stainless steel, and gel coats. Moreover, it's not only for marine use, so you can use it even at home. Although not as quick acting as others, the Total Boat White Knight Fiberglass Stain Remover still has a fairly fast acting time, needing only 10 to 15 minutes for it to work. Furthermore, the Total Boat White Knight Fiberglass Stain Remover doesn't require any scrubbing, so you can sit back and relax while waiting for it to remove the stains from your boat's fiberglass. If you want to know the latest price of the Total Boat Knight Fiberglass Stain Remover, then check the description box. Next at number 6, we have Better Boat Instant Hull Cleaner for fiberglass and painted boats. The Instant Hull Cleaner by Better Boat is a fiberglass cleaner that cleans your boat's fiberglass hull and helps it keep its sparkling clean appearance. Better Boat's Instant Hull Cleaner effectively and effortlessly cleans your boat's fiberglass of unattractive stains and rust, restoring it to the way it was before. What I like about Better Boat's Instant Hull is that it only takes one application to remove the stain, even the tough ones, on your boat's fiberglass hull. I also like how safe it is to use, not only on fiberglass but also on gel coats, aluminum hulls, and even painted surfaces. This makes it versatile and a great value for money. Plus, you don't have to worry about it damaging other types of surfaces on your boat. This, coupled with its quick acting time, makes the Better Boat Instant Hull Cleaner one of the best fiberglass cleaners available on the market. If you have already used any of these products, do let us know commenting below. It will help others do a worthy buy. The number 5 position is held by Megiar's M4965 Marine RV Fiberglass Restoration System. Unlike the other products on this list, the Megiar M4965 Marine RV Fiberglass Restoration System is a 3-step system that cleans, polishes, and restores your boat's fiberglass hull and ensures that your boat remains sparkling clean. What I like about the Megiar's M4965 Marine RV Fiberglass Restoration System is that it has a complete and thorough process that not only cleans your boat's fiberglass but also protects it from further or future damages. It has 3 parts. The Oxidation Remover, which is a great at removing oxidation stains and things like scratches from your fiberglass boat. The High Gloss Polish, which restores your boat's exterior and helps it shine. The Pure Wax provides an additional layer of a long-lasting protection that will help you avoid damages to your boat's exterior and keeps it looking pristine. The Megiar's M4965 Marine RV Fiberglass Restoration System is all you need to keep your boat looking amazing and show-worthy. Is this video making value to your search? If yes, please do like, share, and comment. The number 4 position is dominated by Colinite Fiberglass Boat Cleaner. Prepping your fiberglass boat for a good waxing has never been easier with the Colinite Fiberglass Boat Cleaner. Using strong cleaning agents, the Colinite Fiberglass Boat Cleaner effectively and thoroughly removes dirt, rust, oxidation, and other stains from your fiberglass boat, which then enables waxes to bond to the surfaces successfully. What I like the most about the Colinite Fiberglass Boat Cleaner is that it perfectly cleans and restores your fiberglass boat's original color with no heavy scrubbing or buffing. This lessens the chances of leaving scratches on your fiberglass boat's delicate gel coat. It also augments the effectiveness of protective waxes applied to your boat's fiberglass hull. This allows it to last longer, decreasing the times when you must clean and wax your boat. The Colinite Fiberglass Boat Cleaner will restore your boat's fiberglass to its former glory and help you prepare it for waxing, ensuring you that it stays that way. Is this video making value to your search? If yes, please do like, share, and comment. Moving on to the next at number 3 with Devis Instruments FSR Fiberglass Stain Remover. If you're looking for a fiberglass cleaner whose specialty is removing exhaust and waterline stains, oil and rust, then the Devis Instruments FSR Fiberglass Stain Remover is the one for you. The Devis Instruments Fiberglass Stain Remover or FSR is not only great for those unsightly exhaust and waterline stains, but also for removing rust on railings and stainless steel foundations. It also works well if you want to remove road dirt from your trailer boat. What I like about the Devis Instruments FSR Fiberglass Stain Remover is that its stain-absorbing gel formula is non-abrasive, so it is safe for use not only in fiberglass but also on white painted surfaces and gel coats. Its quiet acting nature also makes it easy to use since it removes the stains chemically and requires no scrubbing. All you need to do is to brush on your desired spot, then wait until the stain is gone. If this is your desired product, please check the link description below. The number 2 position is held by 3M09009 Marine Cleaner and Wax. Fiberglass boat restoring has never been easier or more convenient with the 3M Marine Cleaner and Wax, whose special liquid formula enables you to rid off your boat of light to medium oxidation by combining a compound with several special waxes. Besides oxidation, the 3M Marine Cleaner and Wax also removes filmy residue, exhaust stains, rust deposits, and dark skid marks. I love the 3M Marine Cleaner and Wax because it only cleans the fiberglass hull of my boat, but it also polishes and restores its color and shine. With the 3M Marine Cleaner and Wax, you get a cleaner and wax in just one bottle. This is a convenient way to clean and detail your boat's fiberglass hull without spending too much time doing so. Because of this, you get to spend more time on your boat than under it. I also like how its special formula limits and helps protect against UV rays, preserving your boat's appearance even when exposed to the harsh weather. You can even use it on the surfaces other than your boats like your RV or even your car. The versatility and usefulness of this cleaner and wax combo makes it a great fiberglass cleaner. Is this video making value to your search? If yes, please do like, share and comment. Finally, the number 1 position is dominated by Starbright Ultimate Fiberglass Stain Remover. First on my list of best cleaner for fiberglass boats is the Starbright Ultimate Fiberglass Stain Remover, a cleaner whose gel-like consistency makes it great for cleaning both vertical and horizontal surfaces. What I liked about the Starbright Ultimate Fiberglass Stain Remover is that its gel-like nature allows it to stick onto where it is sprayed, which enables it to cling longer. This allows it to permeate the stain, making it effective and thorough at cleaning with no heavy scrubbing. It is formulated without the use of dangerous caustic acids, which makes it safe for use on all fiberglass surfaces. I also like that it can even be used on other delicate surfaces such as painted ones, rubber, plastic and vinyl. I also love how I could use it at home, not just my boat. Being able to do so makes it a great value for money because it's not only for marine use. That's all for today. We upload product review videos in every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.